Hello, hello, hello. Greetings. You with Tanisha Ali. I'm coming to bring you. Sorry about that. Supposed to be relaxing today, and it's new to me because when I work, I feel like I'm relaxing, and I had to do a little work today, but didn't feel like work. So I'm out here relaxing, and I don't know. I'm called to give a message. Very interesting message. I have the Two of Keys here. No, that didn't come first. I have the One of Keys here, okay? This is being in one's power, making plans, building things, using one's talents, all right? Off in the distance, he's pointing to something that denotes expansion. This is a feeling of being in one's power. However, this card came next, which is the Two of Keys, and this was in the middle upside down, which is the Six of Keys. So I'm like, what is this about? So then I use my powers of discernment and reasoning, and I come up with a message that will resonate for somebody out here who's watching this. And I want to read the extended message to you, but I feel like this is all about your coins, your pinnacles, your foundation, stability. I feel like some of you out there are having a difficult time right now. Always pray before I pull these cards that they reach whoever they're supposed to reach, and that I'll be able to bring whatever message I'm inspired to bring. So if it resonates with you, you'll know it. If it doesn't, leave it alone. You'll know right away. This is about your foundation, about your stability. Someone out there, if you're watching this, is experiencing a sense of a loss of power, or maybe being down on your fortune, okay? Just when things should have been turning around and taking a turn for the better, and you should have been bringing more balance and fulfillment and a greater degree of financial stability and flow into your life, you're experiencing a sense of loss, okay? If you take a look at this picture here, his house has been ransacked. All right, this is the Two of Keys. This is right after this here. House has been ransacked, and he's experiencing a disappointment. All right, everything is strewn everywhere. Everything is out of order and is disheveled. Things are kind of upside down, a manner of speaking. But back here is a light. He has not lost what is the most important thing. You have not lost what is the most important thing, which is your inner light, which is your inner strength, which is your ability to transmute this situation. I want you to remember that the situation is temporary. This card here was in the middle upside down. So this is letting me know that financially, you're in a difficult situation right now as it relates to the things that bring stability to your life. For some of you guys, it might be job related. For others of you, it might be related to a relationship. A foundation is crumbling or is coming apart. You're experiencing a restriction or some contraction in your ability to provide the things that you would like to be able to provide and have the fluidity in your money supply. A couple things I want to say. The first thing I want to say is we got this moon here. This moon here is a waxing moon. It's called I think it's called a incandescent, no, increscent moon, something. I'll look and see. But this moon is waxing. Okay, this is to remind you of a cycle. This is a cyclical phase that you are in right now. It's not going to last forever. I remember my dad used to always tell me, it was some years I had some really, really rough years. I was going through separation from my husband. I was raising the girls. I was working 6 days a week. I had my own business, so I was responsible for everything. It seemed like everything in my life was breaking down. Every time I turn around, a pipe busted. 3 pipes bust that season during that winter. The daggone pipe busted. One time, y'all, I got up in the middle of the night. I have no reason why I got up in the middle of the night. I went downstairs. I walked past the door to the basement, and I heard like what sounded like a river raging. And subconsciously, I think I might have been thinking, oh my gosh, no, that can't be what I'm hearing. At the same time, I'm thinking, how would I have known to come down here? I opened the door only to see water rushing. I ran downstairs. This was familiar. This was the second or third time at this point. I ran through the finished part of the basement, out through the garage connector. I grabbed the tool. This is like wee hours of the morning. Ran out in the front yard, half dressed, opened up the manhole thingy, whatever it's called, turned the water off, came in the house, hung the thing up in the garage, went upstairs, and I was like, man, I went upstairs, and I was like, I'm going to bed. It was just one thing after the other. The water heater broke. I mean, literally, everything in my life was breaking at that point, trying to show me it was time for me to move on, but I was stuck. The day I left that house, the day I walked away from my house, okay? And I can go back over there right now. It's right there, but I'm not living in it. The day I decided to walk away from that house, the dishwasher broke. It was only 3 months before that I had bought a new dishwasher. My refrigerator, which was new, broke. That broke. I got that fixed. That was brand new. Everything was breaking down. The microwave broke. Okay? This was me ignoring the signals and not being willing to move on. But the point I'm trying to make is it seemed like everything was going wrong. The front yard submerged in water. Some pipe busted underneath the front of my yard, and the the water people decided it wasn't on their line of responsibility. It was on my property. And then I had a situation where the septic tank clogged up in the backyard. I have a septic tank. So it's in the yard. It's not on the county line. It's not a county sewer. One thing after the other. I cannot tell you what was going on in my business. It was just crazation. So it was like I was being engulfed in something. And the reason why is because I was out of alignment. I was failing to step into my power and to look at my power and to see what I could manifest in my life. I was busy in a victim mode at that time. I felt like things were happening to me, and I wasn't willing to look at myself to see what it was that I was doing in my life or where it was in my life that I happened to be out of alignment. So this was a difficult time, but it was through that situation that I am where I am today. So I'm so grateful for that situation. I'm so grateful for my husband and the challenges of that situation, because had it not been that, I would not be who I am today, many years later. So it is all beautiful, and it is cyclical. Okay, no fire will burn forever. My dad said that to me, no fire will burn forever. This too shall pass. This is a cycle. Okay, you're in the middle of a cycle, and believe it or not, this cycle is going to release you in 2020 to build this and to step into your power. Hang in there. Look at where in your life you have played a role in creating this situation. Don't look at what anybody else has done. That'll just stall your progress like it did mine. Okay, I'm telling you the secret now. It's time for some mental transmutation. Okay, you're going to be fine. This is going to pass. Things are slowly going to ease. Your financial influx will begin again. You'll begin to feel more fluid. You'll come out of this feeling of scarceness and this feeling of financial contraction, or the foundation having fallen in on something. Whatever it is that's going on in your home life, it'll begin to come to some ease. Just remember this. You always have this. This is not going anywhere. I promise you. And if you're in the mood for some mental transmutation and some up leveling and some exclusive content, consider joining Patreon at some point. It's an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your future. And it's going to help you turn your life around and learn the skills, or embrace the skills that are already within you. Okay, we're doing an 11-day money challenge, which I've decided is going to start February the 1st, so that the billing works out properly for new patrons who want to join. After that, it's a self-love challenge. I guarantee you it's the work that you do within, in terms of your vibration and in terms of your frequency, that will manifest everything without. I'm so true about that. Turning this situation around for the long term has nothing to do with getting 3 or 4 new jobs, selling the stuff that's in your garage. Those are means to an end, and they can help bring some ease. But this situation has to do with vibration and your mental energy, because it's your mental energy that determines your vibration, your power, and what you manifest. You're with Tanisha Ali of Butterfly Transformations, helping you to get clear, helping you to clear and heal your energetic and emotional blockages, helping you to up level your mindset and go get that abundance. Okay, it's time to go in, y'all. It's time to go in. It's time for you to invest in yourself, to invest in your future, and to believe in your power to transmute your life and get all the stuff that's already yours anyway. I'm sending you much, 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 much love. I hope that this video reached the person that it's supposed to reach. If it's one person that this is supposed to reach, I pray that it reached you. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you resonated with this message. Much, much love to my beautiful, beautiful butterflies. Thank you for being a member of this channel, and thank you for spending this bit of time that you spent with me today. I'm loving all on you, okay?